Okay, so a question is about sending multiple pages. So let's go into this to-do list that we've got here, and let me show you the page view. You can see that it's about a 60-page document. If I go back and we go down here, it's 63 pages, right? Now, if I wanted to send this page and the next page to myself or an email to someone else, I go click down here, send by email. Now you can see, add an email address, just add I can add a recently used one, or I can clear it. I can type some text if I want to, but here it is here. See over here, selected page 4. Press the edit and all of your pages become available in here to select. And as you know, with the ReMarkable, we use the long press. So you do the long press. Now just say I wanted to select those 3 pages, and I want to confirm that they're the pages I want to select. And now you can see here, it says pages 3 to 5. There's nothing else to do. Obviously, I've already worked out I'm going to send it as a PDF, not a picture, which is what a PNG is. SVG is also, it's a file that you use in a few different softwares. I haven't tried that one out with this particular document, but you can send text in an email. And you've got these other options here as well. So if I just press send, that's on its way over to my Gmail and those 3 pages. Thanks so much for watching. Feel free to give me a comment, a like, subscribe, share the video to help some other people that you know. That'd be awesome. Thanks so much.